in our day-to-day life, or as we usually teach in the classroom, whatever we have, but it is not enough for us. So, to take the meeting, we come here and I feel that up to the third day, we have completed this class quite much. Now we are on the teacher, but we have some faults or lags that we do not dare to do something different than this. So we will join here and staying the 3 days. After 3 days, we have some ability to express in a different way. And I feel that the presentation of these 5 groups was the best example that we achieved in this time. So I must say thanks for the that they should always organize such type of training to all of us and refresh us, because human being needs a different type of refreshment in the different way. As we drink a tea at the morning, at the noon, or at the night, sometimes we take the coffee. But because we are going to go with our daily activity. So all these new things has given us participating. And I think that the motto of the training will definitely complete at the 2017. All the teachers of English and each and every subject would be a good one, and they will prepare their students as the exam wanted to do. They acquire many different type of skills here. The resource person helping us, given a lot of opportunity, and from that event, we also learn to give the opportunity of our students. Once again, I say thank you to Yashoda and all the organizers that they organize the training for us and given a chance to increase our knowledge according to the teachers. Thank you very much.
Person, if somebody comes from the man and now my friend, I am representing one of from you, and I share my opinion that before this we read teachers and all these things, but not practically do all these things like ma'am tell us, before this sir tell us how to clever method we can teach students very normal things as like word play, all these things, and it may be definitely it may be beneficial for our students. And up to till we are teaching only give complete our syllabus, and it gets boring for students as well as teachers. But after that, I assure you, ma'am and sir, that after this training, all the teachers make effort to do the teaching some innovative methods they apply in the teaching, and all the process of this training and our teaching will improve day by day. Thank you.
फक्त 2 वेळी मला सांगायचं विसरलं, मराठीत आपल्या सर्वांना खाली तर फक्त 2 वेळी तुमच्यासाठी ज्यांचा रक्त स्मशानातून जात असतो, ज्यांचा रक्त स्मशानातून जात असतो त्यांनी चितेला पाहून वेगळं असतो. ज्यांचा रक्त स्मशानातून जात असतो त्यांनी चितेला पाहून वेगळाचं नसतं. घ्यायचाच झाला तर घ्यायचा असतो, घ्यायचाच झाला तर घ्यायचा असतो. त्यातला निखारा त्यात क्रांतीचा अलंकार असतो. बोलत नाही, तुम्हाला पण डिस्टर्ब करत नाही.
If you want to interact with them, you can give them your valuable advice to them.